Hi everyone, welcome to the Raspberry Pi Secret Agent course by Pact. My name is Adam and I'm the instructor of this course. This is for all mischievous Raspberry Pi owners who would like to see their computer transform into a neat spy gadget to be used in a series of practical projects. We'll help you building and setting up your Raspberry Pi Zero, Raspberry Pi 3, B+, and A+, into a number of secret agent gadgets that we think any shadow-dwelling undercover operatives will be thankful to have in their next mission. I'm a 25 years old IT technician and content creator. I'm a Raspberry Pi enthusiast and make all types of projects. I also have a YouTube channel under the name Adam Builds where I make tutorials around Raspberry Pi and Arduino. The course will provide step-by-step videos on how to make your own secret agent kit. We will build a mini laptop that has all the capabilities of a laptop and is fully portable by custom designing a charging circuit and a case that fits everything. Discover how to make use of the Raspberry Pi camera and night vision modules into a portable VR set. We will build embedded secret surveillance camera systems inside everyday objects or clothing. Build a streaming RC car with Pi Zero and connect it through a radio transmitter and receiver module. Design different circuits and way of powering our Pi. We will walk you through a variety of hands-on projects in which we will combine many manufacturing techniques with well-thought software, resulting in usable and fun projects. Each section is a standalone project in which you will find all the information needed to apply it in your Raspberry Pi and take it to a new level of usability. Some basic soldering skills are required to follow along, and if you're completely new to Linux, you will pick up much of the basics for free.